Hello to you all, just a real quick video here. I picked up this Glock pin right here. This their thicker pin, the trigger bar pin, and it is a thumb rest slash trigger bar. So this is actually all one piece right here. I got it from Race Enterprise. They shipped this from the Netherlands, so it took about maybe 2.5 weeks or so to get here. So just pop your other old Glock pin out. It's a stainless steel pin. Knurled on the sides, throw it in, and you can grip your gun and you have some leverage to push down with your thumb. They also do mention that I don't do competition shooting, but this will fit in a box. I'm not exactly sure the dimensions of the box to make sure your gun is legal for certain categories of competition, but you're able to get just a regular grip, come around here, and you're able to push down on your slide right here. So just some little trinket I decided to try on this gun, this range gun right here. So I'll see how it goes. I kind of like the idea of this. I looked at other options and everything. This was about $24, and hopefully this will help, manage recoil, keep the muzzle down. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Thanks for watching.